The other day, I was talking with a fellow motorcyclist and YouTube creator. We were sharing stories and discussing some of the hardships and revelations we've encountered along life's journey, and how those revelations are sometimes really gifts that transform our paths for the better. Our conversation eventually turned to the thoughts about making videos for YouTube, and how in doing so we've both found the same kind of unexpected twists and turns as in our own lives. We talked about the core reasons we started our channels and what keeps us going. We kind of agreed that making videos is sort of a therapeutic way to understand how beneficial life's lessons have been to us. I found that making these videos and riding motorcycles became a driving force for my recovery from cancer. Or, if nothing else, it would be a way to leave a record of my experiences while they were still fresh in my mind. Like motorcycling, these videos became part of the healing process. That aspect alone was probably reason enough for me to start this channel. But I would find out that there was much more that I could gain from telling my stories to you. I started this channel on March 10th of 2025, launching 2 videos at once. Now, my expectations were very low for any success, but that didn't matter. What mattered is that I felt I was putting distance between where I was and where I wanted to go. Having a purpose again was something that I laid awake at night dreaming of. It was the medicine I needed. Having a fire lit inside that propels you forward is a very powerful drug. And this fire was about to grow in ways I never expected. On March 23rd, 2025, I posted my 4th video called Motorcyclists Are Different. The next morning, when I checked my channel, I really didn't understand what was happening. Suddenly, I had a video that, for lack of a better word, blew up, or went viral, as they say. I spent 15 hours that next day just reading your comments. The span of emotions, logic, experience, heartbreak, and recovery had to be some of the most overwhelming comments I have ever read on a video. They were inspiring and humbling. Since then, I've reached over 8,000 comments, and I am still amazed and thankful I've had the privilege of reading your words. Now, I started this channel because I thought I had some stories I wanted or maybe needed to tell, and I found that what I value most is your stories. There is something compelling knowing you are not alone in your struggles and triumphs. Your words have helped me so much, I just kind of figured, as we approach the 1-year mark of this channel, why not let you tell stories for once? I've selected some of your comments from across all of my videos and have assembled them here, in your own words. When riding, I'm happy and free. It's a special feeling. No one can understand if they've never been on a bike. Swinging through the curves, in balance with your machine, trying to find the ideal line and lane. The gentle pressure of wind against your breast and helmet, the nature around you, the sound of the motor under you. That's a wonderful feeling that I never want to miss. There's nothing like riding a motorcycle. You won't understand it until you ride. I'm just 31. I've only been riding about 13 years, but since I was a little girl, I was fascinated by motorcycles and would pretend to ride on a motorcycle while I was on my bicycle. The ones who still ride in their 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, or more are the real riders. The ones that have it in their blood, in their soul. I know I'll be riding till I can't hold the bike up and stand and walk. Maybe when past that point, I'll get a trike. So many people don't understand the impact that solo motorcycle travel has on the state of mind and working through things. But by the grace of God go I. We all expire. The only difference is what we do before we go. There is a difference between being alive and living. Motorcycles have helped me to live more fully. Its impact touched every aspect of life. I went through cancer at age 62 and again at 65. Then at 70, I bought my first bike. Now at 75, I am riding my third bike and I enjoy it more than I thought possible. My motto is, you're never too old if you want to do it, and do it the right way. Use your brain, motivated by your heart. If I die on a motorcycle, let it be known I chose to do so rather than living without. It's really that simple. I was defeated in 2021. Illness, going through a divorce, and stress to the hilt in corporate world. I met an American lady and she said, "What was the thing you loved to do as a kid and wish you could go back to?" And that was bikes. It saved my life, helped my anxiety and depression, so I married that lady. We share a hobby farm in North Carolina, and of course, we both have bikes. After 55 years of motorcycling, I have a better appreciation for the slogan, live to ride, ride to live. When you're moving forward on two wheels, you know you are truly alive. And even if various bits of your body ache with age and arthritis, while you are riding, you are for a brief moment young again. And though an illusion can deny the passage of time, it made me misty reflecting on the truth of my life and the gratitude for where I am. Not just these bones growing more weary with each year, but in awe of the spirit given this heart to ride, and the ride given my heart, spirit to live, love, and ride again. I am 63 with post-traumatic stress disorder and depression. Kind of struggling a little in life right now. Without my motorcycle, it would be much harder. In 2018, I got sick, and it wasn't curable, but could be managed. I was looking at a median life expectancy of 5 years. My doctors sent me home with a faded photocopy of how to prepare for death. After a couple weeks of feeling sorry for myself, I decided that my bike would save my life, give me reason to look forward to things, plan some trips, and it did. I am 52 years old from Croatia. I lost my son in a motorcycle accident 2 years ago. I love riding a motorcycle, and it's my therapy to stay alive. Hey guys, I want to thank you for watching and thank you for all the help and support you've given me over the last year. It's mattered more than you'll ever know. Keep the rubber side down and may all your rides be safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.